श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे। श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे। श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे। श्रीविघ्नराजं भजेऽहं 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 भजे तमिग श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे। श्रीविघ्नराजं भजेऽहं 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 भजे तमिग श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे। सन्ततमहं कुञ्जरमुखं शङ्करसुतं शङ्करीसुतं तमिग श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे। सन्ततमहं तन्दिकुञ्जरमुखं अलदकान्तकसुतं।
Pushpanjali is a traditional way to invoke blessings and auspiciousness before a Bharatanatyam performance. Today's Pushpanjali is not just a ritual opening, it is a dedication to Lord Ganesha and Goddess Parvati, the Divine Mother and Son, who form the very heart of our theme, Girija Vinayaka Kada. Imagine the dancer entering the stage, hands filled not with physical flowers but the flowers of emotion. Each movement, each glance, each gesture becoming a petal offered at the lotus feet of the divine. It is an expression of devotion to the divine. The dancer acknowledges that every moment, every expression, and every rhythm gain sanctity only through the grace of God. By bowing to the Almighty, the dancer seeks blessings for strength, clarity, and purity in the performance, reminding us that dance is not merely entertainment but also an act of worship. Pushpanjali is a sign of surrender to the Acharya, the Guru. The Guru is the guiding light who instills discipline, precision, and understanding of the art form. Every adavu, every mudra, and every nuance of expression is a result of the Guru's patient teaching. Pushpanjali extends reverse to the orchestra. Their music, rhythm, and soulful rendering bring depth to the performance, giving the dancer wings to express emotions and stories with greater beauty. Pushpanjali is an offering of respect to the audience. Their presence, appreciation, and involvement complete the experience of the performance. By bowing to the audience, the dancer recognizes their role and welcomes them to the shared spiritual and artistic journey. Presenting Pushpanjali in Gambhira Natai, set to Aditala, performed by Kumari Ranjana and Kumari Sathi.
ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾ ತೈ ತತ್ತೋಡಗದ ತಂದಂದಂದಿಂದಿಂದಿಂದಿ ತತ್ತೋಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾ ತೈ ತತ್ತೋಡಗದ ತಂದಂದಂದಿಂದಿಂದಿಂದಿ ತತ್ತೋಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾ ತೈ ತೋಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕೋ ತಾತೈ ತೋಡಗದ ತಂದಂದಿಂದಿಂದಿ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾ ತೈ ತೋಡಗದ ತಂದಂದಿಂದಿಂದಿ ತೋಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾ ದೈ ತಿತ್ತಿತ್ತಿತ್ತೈ ದಿಗುದಗ ದಿಗಿದೋಗ ಸ್ತಾಂಗ ದಿಗುದಗ ದಿಗಿದೋಗ ಸ್ತಾಂಗ ದಿಗಿದೋಗ ಸ್ತಾಂಗ ತಗುದೊಂಗ ಕಿಟ್ಟಾಕಿನ್ನ ತೊಂಗ ತೋರಗದ ತೋತೈ ತೋದಿ ಕುತ್ತಕ ತೋರಗದ ತೋತಿ ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಲ್ಲಿ ತಕ್ಕರ ತೋಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾದೆ ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಲ್ಲಿ ತಕ್ಕರ ತೋಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾದೆ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಪುತ್ರ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ हस्ता चामरगण विलम्बितसूत्र वामनरूप महेश्वर पुत्रा विघ्नविनायक पादनमस्ते 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 पादनमस्ते